Rise up,
Warriors,
and be strong.
warriors. This song is dedicated to my dreadlock friends in the 32 and all the true strata brothers back home. All the hustle and the struggle. Stay strong.
Well, the people need a little love sometime. A Rasta man knows the inner deeper feeling. It's the kind of love that holds your heart forever. It's the kind of love that one would share as brother to brother. Warrior of love. You got to be warrior of love. Warrior of love.
My backyard. Single net. Ah, you like that, huh? Swimming pool. That's how we do it. How we do it. Only in Samoa, baby.
She a keeper, she keep that wet. She a slurper till it ain't none left. The way she drop it on the fly. Baby, I know what you want.
Round one. Round one, baby.
Boom, let it out now. Yeah, freak, baby, don't let it out now. Yeah. Boom, let it out now. Yeah, freak, baby, don't let it out now. Yeah, tell me what you want, tell me what you want to. The way you spread it out, girlfriend, I want you. I'ma put it on you. Tell me when you, baby, I'm a toot. Yeah, pretty little thing, shout it, I can't even lie. Rockin' up them sky miles, cause you stay